truly can't imagine a life without you in it. You are beautiful in every way. You're kind, loving, passionate, and without a doubt, the most caring person I've ever met. I am completely and hopelessly in love with you, and I can't wait to spend forever with you.
Everyone to make as much noise as you can for the newly married Mr. and Mrs. Ridley Banks.